Let's look at volume, because volume is one of the factors that affects density, as well as we know mass also will have an impact on density. So what does volume refer to? We know it's a three-dimensional space that matter occupies, whatever object it is, and so we can simply say it refers to the amount of space occupied by matter of an object. And we know it could be any phase of matter, solid, liquid, or gas. We can measure volume using different units of measurements. Because it is 3D, you will see that we have centimeters cubed, we could have decimeters cubed, and decimeters cubed also represented by liters. We could also use milliliters, we could also use meters cubed. Now in this example that we have, we should have something that is three-dimensional, so we can see 3 dimensions that are here. We've got the height, we have our length, and we've got our width. Can we input those 3 values into a formula, which I'm sure you recall from maths? Volume is equal to the length times the width times the height, and we simply have the dimensions given here, 10 centimeters by 10 by 10, and therefore we end up getting 1,000 if we multiply those 3. So this is how we would calculate volume. Always remember that you have volume done or calculated before you could use it in a density formula, which we will get to